Check out this video of the plant max in action. It's doing some ground preparation and planting seedlings in the same spot intermittently. In addition to its ground preparation capabilities, the Plant Max is also equipped with a range of other features that make it a versatile and effective tool for farmers and landscapers. The TZM-M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. The John Deere Walking Tractor prototype is a practical machine designed for forest workers to navigate rough mountain terrain in snow and mud. It features 6 articulated legs, allowing it to move forward and backward, sideways and diagonally, and even turn in place and step over obstacles. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an intelligent computer system that controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step, height, gait, and ground clearance. Mulching in the forest is an efficient and environmentally friendly method of land clearing with mulchers attached to excavators, tractors, and mini loaders. You can cut, grind, and clear the land, allowing you to swiftly move on to the next stage of your project. Now you don't have to worry about unsightly stumps or scattered debris, as tree and shrubs are mulched by these machines, leaving the ground level and tidy. Young startup Bosch Corporate Research has presented a new weeding robot. In fact, Field Robotics presented a systematic approach to deploying artificial intelligence in fields in general, including the knowledge that led to the creation of autonomous AI-based plant classification modules. Therefore, this technique uses cameras that capture the entire workflow and compare it to a database of installed images. This allows the robot to distinguish cultivated plants from weeds in 1/10 of a second. So you can rest assured that Deep Field Robotics will be a real workhorse for weeding your crops. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland with a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet. It's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300 L tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work. Thanks to more space, the Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. Amphibious excavators are specialized machines used for clearing water bodies. They're equipped with tracks or pontoons that allow them to maneuver through water, making them ideal for drinking ponds, lakes, and rivers. These excavators typically feature long hydraulic arms with digging buckets that can scoop up sediment, debris, and other materials from the bottom of a body of water. The material is then transported to the shore or another location using the excavator's onboard conveyor system. Meet the MK88D 4.1 series crane from Liebherr, the ideal solution for working in urban areas, often referred to as a taxi crane. This compact and mobile construction crane is designed to work quickly and efficiently in dense urban areas with a maximum lifting capacity of 8 tons and a boom length of up to 147.5 feet. The MK88D 4.1 can easily handle short-term lifting tasks. You can be sure that this equipment combines the functionality of traditional tower cranes with incomparable mobility, which makes it an indispensable assistant on any urban construction. Once the optimal Opitz 3000 is a powerful machine capable of excavating trees up to 90 centimeters in diameter with its 4 large spade blades. The Opitz 3000 is equipped with hydraulic controls that allow the operator to easily adjust the spade blades to fit the tree's root ball. This ensures that the tree is dug out of the ground with minimal damage to the roots, allowing for successful transplantation to a new location. The Gallet TRX 800 is a powerful, self-propelled crawler-mounted mulcher, powered by a 765 horsepower Caterpillar engine and can handle the toughest landscaping and construction jobs. The mulcher is designed for comprehensive clearing of the territory from trees and shrubs, land reclamation and crushing of stones. The special design on the tracks allows you to evenly distribute the load on the soil, avoiding excessive compaction, which helps maintain the health and structure of the soil. The GAT TRX 800 is ideal for creating fire breaks, cutting power lines or pipelines, and repairing construction sites, providing high performance and reliability in all conditions. The Toll Incorporated Cross Hedger is a fast and efficient tree trimming machine designed for use in orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural settings. With its powerful cutting blades and innovative design, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately trimming trees of various sizes and shapes. Its precision cutting blades are designed to provide a clean and accurate cut, while its unique cross-hedging feature allows for efficient trimming of both sides of the tree. At the Verrier T655 is a powerful and versatile trencher that is designed for heavy-duty trenching operations. It is equipped with a range of advanced features that allow it to cut through even the toughest soils with ease, making it an essential tool for a variety of construction and agricultural applications. The Trenair is equipped with a range of advanced features such as electronic grade control and a digital display. The John Deere 1050K dozer is a powerful and reliable piece of heavy equipment that is designed to handle even the toughest earth-moving and construction projects with a range of advanced features and cutting-edge technologies. This dozer is one of the most versatile and productive dozers available on the market today. Cite the DWO Raw 360 has already earned its reputation as a high-performance machine through countless hours of work in rainy and dry weather. With standard equipment and optional extras, this machine helps the driver in every possible way to get the best results when harvesting potatoes and carrots. With the roomy new class cab, the company has created a comfortable working environment that is operator-oriented. Harvest and combine movement control panels and a joystick make it easy and comfortable to operate the machine itself. A bucket wheel excavator is a large piece of heavy equipment used in surface mining to extract minerals from open pit mines. In a lignite quarry, bucket wheel excavators are typically used to extract lignite, which is a type of low-grade coal that is used primarily for energy production. The excavator is equipped with a large rotating wheel or bucket wheel that is fitted with a series of digging buckets. Additionally, it can be operated in a variety of weather conditions, making them highly versatile and reliable.